What if the key to happiness and peak performance isn't about working harder, but about losing yourself in the right kind of work? Inflow Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi reveals how to tap into life's most fulfilling state and experience a profound sense of creativity and purpose. But first, what is flow? Flow is the state where time disappears, distractions fade, and you become fully immersed in what you're doing. Flow happens when your skills match the challenge at hand. Too easy? You get bored. Too hard? You get frustrated. The sweet spot? That's where flow lives. To enter flow, you need a clear goal. A defined purpose keeps you locked in and fully engaged. Flow thrives in uninterrupted focus. Shut out distractions, create space for deep work, and let your mind dive in. Here's an interesting fact. The best kind of work doesn't feel like work. Flow happens when we do things for the love of it, not just the reward. At the end of it all, flow isn't just about work, it's about life. When you master it, every moment becomes richer, more engaging, and deeply fulfilling. For more key ideas and book summaries, check out Accelerated or visit tedapp.ai.